my name's Raphael. So this is my volcano, and so I put salsa, dinosaurs, and dough. Hello. To make the lava, you have to put some dish soap, some baking soda, and jelly, and some vinegar. Pour some of this into there, like this, like this. There. Then you have to mix it. Keep mixing. After you put the jelly with paint in here, you have to put a little soap, like this, like I'm putting like a little soap. Then you put some of this in here. You see like that? But it's not okay if it comes out. So get ready for the explosion. Is it going to explode? Is that here? No. Okay. So that's my explosion. See all this pink stuff? Oh my gosh, that is really pink. Bye.